When we reached Babaji's room, we saw him surrounded by the elderly relations of those involved in the rumpus. Some of them pleaded ignorance about the involvement of the children in the conspiracy, but Babaji refuted their arguments and exposed them all fully. A few days later, Haridas came from Hanuman Ghar. As Haridas was ill, Babaji went to his room to talk to him. Baba told me no one should come in, and the mothers were actually locked in their rooms. I stood at the door. Babaji went on exposing the whole conspiracy and the people close to him who had been involved. His voice was raised to such a high pitch that many people became frightened at his loss of temper. Haridas had broken down and was crying the whole time. Babaji was shouting, "Do you think that I am accumulating wealth and building up assets in ashrams and properties? Do you think I am going to be tied down by them? I shall burn Kachi and go away." Not only the people in the ashram but those out on the road were actually trembling. All this was because Haridas would not agree to leave Kanchi, and this was a way of pushing him out. It was not that Maharaji had taken it to heart, it was just a shadow play. Later I said to him, "You cannot discharge anybody, you can only transfer." This is what happened to Haridas. He wanted to build a small community of his own devotees. Therefore Haridas was transferred and now of course has found his place. Baba did not make Haridas an orphan or take revenge on him. He gave him what he wanted. Those involved in the incident could see what Baba possessed, but did not see that the wealth or property did not possess him. It must have been painful for Baba to accumulate so many possessions, but it was a self-imposed pain. He suffered this because of his compassion, helping and assisting the helpless, doing good for others. He said, "Dada, I could have been a great saint, but I suffer from a serious handicap, too much compassion." It was that compassion that made him a prisoner. When he left Kanchi for the last time, he said, "Now I am leaving Central Jail." Even his blanket dropped from his body.